Here are some amazing facts about the magpie. General facts: magpies belong to the Corvidae family, which includes crows, ravens, and jays. There are over 15 species of magpies around the world. Magpies are known for their black and white plumage with a distinctive sheen of blue or green. Magpies are found in Europe, Asia, North America, and Australia. The Eurasian magpie is one of the most common and recognizable species. Magpies can live up to 20 years in the wild. Magpies are omnivorous. They eat insects, small mammals, fruits, seeds, and carrion. Intelligence: magpies are considered one of the smartest birds in the world. They have been known to recognize their reflection in a mirror, one of the few species capable of doing this. Magpies have excellent problem-solving skills and can use tools. They can plan for the future, a trait shared with only a few animals. Some magpies have been observed using sticks to get food out of hard-to-reach places. Magpies can mimic human speech and other sounds, like the calls of other birds. They remember human faces and can hold grudges against people who threaten them. Magpies are capable of counting, a rare skill in animals. They form complex social hierarchies within their groups. Magpies can recognize other individual magpies and remember interactions. They have a brain-to-body mass ratio similar to great apes, indicative of their high intelligence. Communication and social behavior: magpies are highly social birds, often seen in pairs or small groups. They have a wide variety of calls and vocalizations to communicate with each other. A group of magpies is called a tidings or a murder like crows. Magpies are known to engage in play, often chasing and swooping on each other. They have been seen mourning their dead, displaying behaviors that resemble grief. Magpies are monogamous, often staying with the same partner for life. Pairs of magpies work together to build nests and raise their young. The male and female magpie share the responsibility of feeding their chicks. In some species, the juvenile magpies help their parents raise subsequent broods. Behavior: magpies are notorious for their thievery and are attracted to shiny objects. In reality, magpies' attraction to shiny objects is overstated, and they may simply be curious. They build large, domed nests using twigs, mud, and other materials. Magpie nests are often used year after year, being repaired and added to over time. They often store or cache food for later use during times of scarcity. Magpies are known to attack larger predators like cats or even humans to protect their nests. Magpies have territorial behavior and will defend their nesting areas aggressively. During the breeding season, male magpies often perform elaborate courtship displays. Magpie symbolism and culture: in Chinese culture, magpies are seen as a symbol of good fortune and happiness. In Korean folklore, magpies are messengers that bring good news. In some parts of Europe, magpies are considered omens of bad luck, especially if seen alone. There's a well-known rhyme about magpies in the UK, 1 for sorrow, 2 for joy, which reflects different interpretations of magpies based on how many are seen. In Native American cultures, magpies are often seen as tricksters and spirit guides. In Scotland, seeing a single magpie is considered unlucky, and it's common to salute the bird to ward off bad luck. Magpies feature prominently in art and literature, often depicted as cunning or mischievous. In European medieval times, magpies were associated with witches and sorcery. Flight and migration: most magpies are non-migratory, preferring to stay within their territory year-round. Magpies are agile flyers and are capable of complex aerial maneuvers. They have a unique flight pattern, alternating between flapping and gliding. Their tails make up about half the length of their body, aiding in maneuverability during flight. Magpies often perform aerial displays to impress mates or establish dominance. Diet and hunting. Magpies are highly adaptable feeders and can thrive in urban environments. They often scavenge for food from human sources, including garbage and roadkill. They can work in groups to hunt larger prey, such as rodents. Magpies also engage in kleptoparasitism, stealing food from other birds. They often use their sharp beaks to crack open hard-shelled insects and seeds. Conservation and interaction with humans. Magpies are generally considered common and not endangered. In some regions, they are seen as pests because of their aggressive behavior toward other bird species. Despite their reputation, magpies play an important role in the ecosystem, controlling insect populations and cleaning up carrion. In the UK, magpies have been legally protected since 1981 under the Wildlife and Countryside Act.